Hello everyone. Glad to announce you that IIBS partners with Bloomberg for cutting-edge financial education. International Institute of Business Studies is proud to announce its strategic collaboration with Bloomberg, the global leader in financial data analytics and market intelligence. This partnership brings world-class financial learning to IIBS students, equipping them with industry-relevant skills and hands-on experience using the Bloomberg Terminal, a tool used by global banks, investment firms and corporations. Key benefits for IIBS students: access to Bloomberg terminals for real-time financial data analytics and global market insights. Industry recognized certifications from Bloomberg enhancing career prospects in finance, investments, banking, risk management and analytics. Live market stimulations and hands-on training bridging the gap between classroom learning and real-world financial decision-making. Enhanced placement opportunities with global financial firms seeking candidates with Bloomberg expertise. With this Bloomberg partnership, IIBS reinforces its commitment to providing future-ready business education, ensuring that our students graduate with a competitive edge in the financial sector. Thank you.